Self-portrait. Oh, hi. I'm going to draw a picture of myself. It's called a self-portrait. Let's see. I look like, a face and, oh no, that's not right. I don't look like that. Drawing is too hard.
I don't want to draw anymore. I want to do something else. Me too. This isn't fun.
Whoa! Clayton, what happened?
I want to draw myself, but other parts of me think we can't do it.
Oh no.
Let's go play outside.
Stop. We can keep trying to draw. Come on, help me lift it.
No way. I'm going outside too.
You broke it!
Oops. But I'm not good at drawing anyway.
Don't say that. You'll hurt your own feelings.
Well, it's true. No, it's not. I like my drawings.
Hey, you two, come back here, please. I will talk you through your drawing. It will get easier as you go.
Well, I can give it a try.
Now, Clayton, what shape do you think you are the most like?
Not a circle. I know that.
A triangle, maybe?
I think so too.
Yeah, that looks good.
Hey, that's kind of neat.
And what does your face look like?
Well, we have 2 eyes and a mouth.
Oh yeah! Don't forget about our arms.
Can't forget to draw my arms.
That looks great.
That's me. It's perfect. I'm so glad I didn't give up. Maybe I could give this to someone as a gift. Putty, would you like to keep this?
I would love to. Thank you. I'm going to hang this on my wall.
How about you? Do you think you could draw a self-portrait? I hope you try.